Good morning students, welcome to Digital Learning. I am Manisha Kalra, Maths teacher at Bright Scholar Senior Secondary School. We are doing chapter 1 of class 6 and today's topic is multiplication of large numbers. This concept you have done in your previous classes also. Still, we are going to revise it in class 6. Exercise 1.7 of Chapter 1 is based on the concept of multiplication, and as you can see, question number 1 is simple question in which you have to do the product of the given numbers. Still, I am showing you one example of question number 1, first part, and that is 6378 multiplied by 752. So I have done this for you. You have also to do in the same way. In this, we have to first multiply with 2, then with 5, and then with 7. We will get these three answers, and then when we add them, we get the result. And so question number first, second to fifth parts, you will do yourself. Second question is, the cost of one car is rupees 4,53,400. Find the cost of 35 such cars. We have done the questions based on multiplication, and like these problem sums we have also done in exercise 1.3. So I am showing you one example. Cost of one car is rupees 4,53,400. Cost of 35 cars is equal to rupees 4,53,400 multiplied by 35. If we have to move from one to many, then we have to use the operation of multiplication. Again, we have to do the multiplication of these two numbers, and we will get the answer, and we will write hence the cost of 35 cars is rupees 1,58,69,000. Question number 3 and 4. As you can see, they are also same as question number 2 we have done. So question 3 and 4 you will do yourself. Now we move on to question number 5. First we read the question. The distance between Indore and Bhopal is 192 kilometers. A taxi driver makes 3 trips daily from Indore to Bhopal and back. How much distance will he cover in a week? Now in this question you have been given the distance between two cities. Now see, if the taxi driver will move from one city to the other, and then when he will come back also, so he will move twice between the two cities, so he will cover twice the distance between the two cities, that is 192 kilometers. And you have to find the distance he will cover in 1 week if it makes 3 trips every day. So I have done this question for you. See how you have to do. Distance between Indore and Bhopal is 192 kilometers. Number of trips in 1 day is 3. So number of trips in 7 days is 3 sevens are 21. Now why we have done 3 sevens are 21? Why we have done multiplication? Because in this also we are moving from one to many. Now distance covered in one trip is 192 multiplied by 2. I told you the distance will become double. So that is 384 kilometer. So distance covered in 21 trips is 384 multiplied by 21. And when we carry out the product, we get the answer as 8064. Hence, the taxi driver will cover 8064 kilometer of distance in a week. So this is the question 5, and you have to do it in this way. So question number 1, first part I have done, second to 5 parts you will do yourself. Question 2 I have done. Question 3 and 4 you have to do yourself, and then question 5 we have done. This is all in exercise 1.7. Bye.